Good morning. This is Stephen with the National Weather Service office in San Angelo, Texas, with your Thursday briefing. A couple of important updates here to this briefing. A slight risk for heavy rainfall is in effect for today through Friday night, and there's also a slight risk for severe weather this afternoon into Friday morning. So our key points here for this briefing: heavy rain chances are increasing today and should continue through Friday, and this could lead to flooding concerns, especially in low-lying areas. There's a low to medium chance for severe thunderstorms with hail and occasionally and locally gusty winds today through Friday. The good news is then that rain chances should be ending by Saturday morning, with sunny and warm conditions returning for the weekend. So our main concern here for today through Friday is the excessive rainfall that we are expecting here across the area. We currently have a marginal to slight risk of excessive rainfall here across much of the area, and it looks like scattered showers and thunderstorms will be impacting the area for today and tonight, and this will be followed by a line of thunderstorms tomorrow. Some of these will be producing heavy rainfall, which could lead to flooding in some areas. The slight risk for today for excessive rainfall covers most of the western Concho Valley, all of the Big Country, as well as down into Crockett County. We do still have a marginal risk, though, for all of our southeastern counties, so we can anticipate some flooding issues there for late tonight into tomorrow morning. Speaking of which, looks like the area of slight risk is going to expand eastward here for tomorrow, as a line of thunderstorms will push across the area throughout much of the day. As a reminder, with all the flooding we are expecting, turn around, don't drown, never drive into roadways covered in water. As far as the amount of heavy rainfall expected, we are expecting heavy rainfall totals to basically be between about 2 to 4 inches here across the area, with the heaviest amounts expected here across our western counties, stretching from Crockett County up to the western Concho Valley and all the way up towards Haskell and Throckmorton. The heaviest amounts, though, look to be about 2 to 4 inches there, stretching from about Sweetwater northeastward to about Haskell. Even at that, though, still quite a bit of heavy rainfall here, about 1 to perhaps 1.5 inches here out to places such as Coleman and Brownwood here for today through tomorrow. Also want to mention, too, there is a low chance that amounts could exceed 5 inches here across the northern Big Country there, especially across places like Rotan and Haskell. So as far as timing is concerned, intermittent rain is expected today through Friday evening, as the thunderstorms are expected to be more scattered in nature. However, this will increase in coverage here for tonight through tomorrow, as the heaviest rainfall is expected during that time period. And once again, can't stress this enough, flooding in low-lying areas and is expected on the roadways and in low-lying areas, and this should make the Friday morning commute very hazardous, so please give yourself extra time. Please use extra caution. If you normally drive in areas that tend to be prone to flooding, try to go a different way instead, because it's not worth it to try to drive through flood waters. As a result, we do have a flood watch in effect here for the area of expected heavy rainfall, stretching from the western Concho Valley, including San Angelo, northeastward up towards the Abilene area, and northward up to Haskell and Throckmorton counties. That flood watch is in effect here for 6 p.m. today through Friday at about 3 p.m. And in addition to flooding concerns, unfortunately, we do have some severe weather concerns out there as well. Do have a slight risk of severe weather here, stretching basically in some of the similar areas we already have flooding concerns out, from about the northern Edwards Plateau up to the Concho Valley and out to about Brownwood and as far north as the entire Big Country. So we're expecting a medium to high chance of thunderstorms throughout the day today as well as tonight. Some of these storms will be strong to severe, damaging winds and large hail are the main hazards, but a few tornadoes are also possible. So we anticipate some damaging winds about 60 to 70 miles per hour. Some large hail of a quarter to ping pong ball sized are possible in a few storms, and of course a few tornadoes are also possible as well. As far as the severe weather concern here for tomorrow, I do expect that to decrease somewhat, as a line of thunderstorms are expected to push east across the area starting Friday morning and continuing through Friday afternoon. That being said, these storms, even though it's only a marginal risk for tomorrow, we still have the risks for some damaging winds 60 miles per hour and perhaps some large hail or even a tornado or two in this activity. So don't let your guard down here for tomorrow. All right, so your drought summary out there for today. This is actually released as of this morning. Do see abnormally dry conditions here from the Concho Valley and southward, and even parts of the Big Country. So hopefully the heavy rain that's expected here over the next 36 to 48 hours should help to alleviate some of this. As far as your 6 to 10 day outlook, do expect somewhat slightly above normal temperatures here as we get into the weekend. And the rainfall comes to an end. We see sunny and warm conditions returning here for the weekend and early next week. And we will see near normal precipitation amounts here over the next week as well. Just as a reminder, here's the regions in west central Texas as we refer to them here on social media, as well as any additional briefings. And as always, if you have any questions for us, please feel free to visit our webpage, as well as give us a call, give us an email, and keep track of us on social media. Barring any changes, our next briefing will be taking place as scheduled on Monday at 12 p.m. on November 11th. Thank you very much. Stay safe and enjoy your day.